Put your hands together for both the Serbian dance group and the Dionysos dance group. Congratulations, bravo says. May I ask that you please join us for a nice cold frappe coffee and of course, go and visit the Serbian pavilion as well too for their wonderful dance and food.